Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR developments from the past week. Brazil secured $247 million to restore 54,000 hectares of forests in the Amazon and Cerrado. This initiative will cut 7.75 million tons of CO2 and create 21,000 jobs. Capture 6 raised $27.5 million to advance carbon removal via waste brine. Solid Carbon project led by University of Victoria and Ocean Networks Canada secured $24 million for ocean-based CO2 storage research. Sutri funded 5 carbon removal projects with $75,000 each. Supercritical partnered with Exomad Green to secure 130,000 tons of biochar carbon removal. Nordea signed a multi-year agreement with BECCS company Inherit Carbon Solutions to purchase 68,000 tons of CDR. Aramco Ventures has invested in Ucaneo to build Germany's largest direct air capture plant, set for 2026. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 partnered with the Momentum Energy Group for a 2-year agreement to provide them with carbon removal credits. Spanish airline Volotea signed a 2-year deal with a direct air capture developer, 280 Earth, to explore carbon credit projects. Arxi Group and Solter Power have formed a strategic alliance to deploy the world's first integrated microalgae sequestered carbon capture technology across the Middle East and India. Altcarbon signed an agreement with Mitsubishi Corporation to make India a hub for carbon dioxide removal. Ning Seng, co-founder of Carbon Lockdown, has received a U.S. patent for wood harvesting and storage for durable carbon removal. Perennial launched a new platform, Soil Ecosystem Maps, which can identify and estimate the carbon sequestration potential of soils globally. Biosora became the first industrial carbon dioxide removal company in Kenya to achieve 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 certification. The Netherlands suggested using EU ETS revenues to fund and incentivize carbon removal technologies, according to a Tweedkamer working paper. Germany and the EU need a short-term strategy for scaling carbon dioxide removals, according to a new report by SWP. OpenAir released a report proposing a comprehensive CDR policy agenda for Luxembourg. Concito's report argues that using clean electricity and direct air captured CO2 for e-fuels is inefficient, advocating for electrification and underground CO2 storage for greater climate benefits. Chinese scientists simulated a system merging liquid direct air capture with compressed air storage, estimating costs at $250 per ton of captured CO2. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter. Thank you.